Welcome to today's video. Have you ever found yourself buried under a mountain of receipts? Unsure of where your money's going or how to make a budget that actually works? Budgeting can be tough, especially when we have so many other things to manage in our daily lives. Well, what if there was a way to make this process easier, smarter, and even more automated? That's where AI comes in. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword anymore, it's transforming the way we approach everyday tasks, including budgeting. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's dabbled with budgeting tools in the past, using AI to manage your finances can make a world of difference. Today, we're going to dive into how you can use AI for budgeting, step by step, to help you take control of your financial future. And don't worry, no complex financial jargon here. I'll walk you through everything, making sure you feel empowered to harness the power of AI in your budgeting journey. 1. Understanding budgeting basics. Before we jump into AI tools, let's quickly go over the basics of budgeting. The goal of a budget is simple: to keep track of your income and expenses so that you can live within your means and save for the future. Budgeting allows you to control where your money goes rather than wondering at the end of the month, where did it all go? There are several types of budgets. Zero-based budgeting. This approach means you assign every dollar of your income a purpose, from bills to savings to discretionary spending. At the end of the month, your income minus your expenses should equal 0, 50, 30, 20. Rule: a more flexible approach where you allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Envelope system. This is a cash-based budgeting system where you put physical cash into envelopes for specific spending categories. Once the cash is gone, you can't spend any more in that category for the month. While these methods work for some, they can be time-consuming and hard to stick to, especially if you're trying to track every single transaction. 2. The role of AI in budgeting now. Where does AI fit into all of this? Artificial intelligence has the power to streamline, automate, and enhance the way we manage our money. AI tools can help you track your spending, categorize your expenses, predict future costs, and even suggest personalized budgeting strategies based on your habits. For example, AI can analyze your spending patterns and alert you when you're overspending in a specific category. It can also offer you insights into how you can adjust your budget to meet your financial goals, like saving for a vacation, buying a new car, or building an emergency fund. In short, AI acts as a digital financial assistant, constantly learning from your behavior and providing smarter ways to manage your money. 3. Getting started with AI budgeting tools. So, how do you get started with AI for budgeting? There are a few key tools you can use that will revolutionize your approach to managing finances. Tool 1. Expense tracking apps. One of the easiest ways to start is by using an AI-powered expense tracking app. These apps connect to your bank accounts and credit cards and automatically categorize your spending. Some popular examples include Mint. Mint uses AI to track your spending and categorize it into areas like groceries, entertainment, bills, and more. It even creates reports and offers insights into your spending patterns. YNAB. You need a budget. YNAB helps you assign categories to your expenses and offers AI-driven suggestions for how to allocate your money more effectively. These tools can instantly help you visualize your spending and keep track of where your money is going in real time. Plus, they automatically update and sync with your financial accounts, so you don't have to manually input anything. Tool 2. AI-powered budgeting assistants. Next, you can turn to AI-powered budgeting assistants. These virtual assistants can give you advice and help you set goals to optimize your finances. For instance, Clio. Clio is an AI chatbot that tracks your spending, sets budgets, and helps you save money. It provides daily or weekly reports and even offers budgeting tips. Albert. Albert uses AI to analyze your financial habits and provides personalized advice. It can also automate savings for you, analyzing your bank account to transfer small amounts of money into savings without you even noticing. These assistants go beyond just tracking expenses. They give actionable advice and can even set up automatic savings plans based on your spending behavior. Tool 3. Smart savings apps. If saving money is your primary goal, smart savings apps powered by AI are a great choice. These apps automatically save money for you by analyzing your spending habits and transferring small amounts of money to savings when you have extra funds. Some great options include. In conclusion, budgeting doesn't have to be a daunting task anymore. With the power of AI, managing your finances can become more efficient, personalized, and even fun. Whether you're using AI to track your spending, save money, or get smarter insights into your financial habits, These tools are game changers for anyone who wants to take control of their money without the headache. So, if you're ready to start budgeting smarter, give some of these AI-powered tools a try. You'll not only be saving time, but you'll also be setting yourself up for a more secure financial future. AI is here to make your life easier. Embrace it and take charge of your budgeting today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could benefit from using AI for budgeting. Let's all get smarter about our money and use technology to our advantage.